In this tip and trick, we're going to see how you can export and import analysis grid data so that you can compare analysis results. In this particular example, I have a simple building. I've performed some natural daylight analysis, and that analysis has been performed with the brise-soleil on one of the external facades turned on. So what I'd first like to do is start by exporting that analysis grid data out. So from the analysis grid control panel, I select grid management, and I'm going to select export data, and I'm going to call that daylight factor with shading. And I'm going to append the file extension to it, because if I don't, I'll have trouble finding it when I come to import it. I select save and select OK. So I've done that, I've exported out the results. The next thing I need to do before I perform the next analysis is just turn off the brise-soleil from my zone management control panel, and from my calculate pull down menu, select lighting analysis. Just going to skip the wizard there, select OK. What it's now going to do is run through and perform a second lighting analysis, taking into account that the brise-soleil have actually been turned off. So as you can see, it's run through that fairly quickly. So I now have those results. Next thing I want to do is compare them to the previous state. So again, from the analysis grid control panel, I'm just going to now select grid management again, manage grid data, and I'm going to replace the daylight level values with the daylight factor from before. So what I'm going to say now is import data, select the text file that I previously exported, and select open. Just want to rename this, so what I'm going to say now is daylight factor with brise-soleil, and select OK. So now what I can do is swap between the two different sets of results. So the daylight factor without the brise-soleil and the daylight factor with the brise-soleil. So very simple for me to actually compare different analysis results within the graphic window.